press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Tomorrow, it will be 15th August and my whole country is getting decorated to celebrate its 75th years of independence. Here in Banswara in Rajasthan, you can see every nook and corner is wearing the Indian tricolor. We are driving back to our hotel after a long day.
So I am having Rajasthani thali. As you can see, my plate is all full. And this thali is available just at 150 rupees. So you should definitely come and try this. Hello everyone. It's a fresh breezy morning today. And it is Independence Day. Happy 75th Independence Day to all my YouTube family. Welcome to our channel Get Set Go to Travel Vlog. Yesterday, we covered a couple of places around Banswara. If you have not checked out that video, please do check it out. I will link it in the description box. Today, we are going to visit Mahi River Dam, Anand Sagar Waterfall and a couple of places around. We will also be going to Chacha Kota. Let's explore it all together.
It is 9:30 in the morning and we started our trip towards Mahi River Dam, passing through the sleepy town of Banswara. This is the town center or the Maharana Pratap Chowk. It has all the major banks, shopping centers, education institute all around this place. Today, being 15th of August, the town is decorated in its national fervor. We are at the local bus stand and one can see the fruit carts all around. We are on the outskirts of the town and our first tourist spot will be the Mahi River Dam. We have reached the Mahi River Dam and we were lucky to get the permission to drive over the dam. Mahi Dam is about 20 kilometers from Banswara. It's a major tourist place in Banswara city and also a great water source for whole district. If you are traveling by four-wheeler, then you can directly take your vehicle at wall fence road of the dam, which is more than 3 km long. Best time to visit is monsoon and we are at the right time. It is the biggest dam of Rajasthan amidst vast and lush green surroundings. A huge reservoir of Mahi River gives a spectacular view, a true feast to your eyes. There are 16 gates for the water to come out. During rainy season, one can witness all gates open and water flowing out. Few years back, due to heavy rainfall, all the floodgates were open, then this old bridge was washed away. The dam was constructed between 1972 and 1983 for the purposes of hydroelectric power generation and water supply.
I am at Mahi River Dam and look at the vastness of the clear water. And the other side, we have green mountains and water over here as well.
After spending around some time on the dam, we started for our next travel destination called Chacha Kota Backwater, also known as the Fairyland in Rajasthan. There are mainly 12 tribal communities around this belt in which the Bhil are in majority. From root diggers and animal hunters in the past, now their main occupation is farming and cattle rearing. The locals in this region can speak Hindi, Rajasthani and Wagdi languages. I am told that Wagdi language is a mixture of Gujarati, Malvi and Rajasthani.
We are approaching towards Chacha Kota Drive, and on the way we took a halt and see the beauty. It is said that there are 100 islands. So all these islands are very beautiful.
While we are exploring this place, we saw an interesting structure, maybe a place for locals to worship, so we thought to visit.
If you want to take a break from the busy work life, one should definitely come here and enjoy this moment. Be here. I can just spend hours and hours being here, enjoying this serenity, this calmness, this greenery and the beautiful water body that I can see. It's a lovely experience.
We drove on towards Chacha Kota backwaters. I have always wished to climb these hills and see the world from the top. And today, my husband said my wish will be fulfilled. So I'm very excited. I will climb a hill today.
surroundings, it's worth the climb. Beautiful.
I think my quota of hill climbing is done for the day, as I decided to hold on. Showmain climbed the top and could capture some beautiful shots in his camera. And I also clicked some beautiful, amazing pictures for my Instagram.
Totally worth it. I enjoyed the climb. The view was wonderful from there. Totally worth it. One should definitely go.
We drove on towards Chacha Kota village. Chacha Kota backwater is surrounded around a small hamlet. It is located 10 kilometers away from Banswara. The hinterland of the dam is studded with hundreds of richly forested little islands that was originally small hillocks. Now, many got submerged in the dam waters spread across the Chacha Kota backwater. This area with lush green landscapes and islands surrounded with fresh water looks more like a fairyland. Finally, we reached the village called Chacha Kota. In fact, it is not a proper village, but a small cluster of huts.
There are villages here in Chacha Kota. As you can see, it is surrounded by fence so that wild animals don't attack them. Water bodies! Everything is so beautiful!
After enjoying the place, appreciating the pure nature all around, we drove on to our next destination called Anand Sagar Lake. Indeed, this region of Banswara is the greenest place of Rajasthan due to the heavy rainfall which it receives. It seems again Google Baba is testing our driving skills in a wrong route. At one side, there is a deep canal and the other side is forested. And the road, my God! This is Anand Sagar Lake. Bai Talab, the other name of Anand Sagar Lake, is an artificial lake on the eastern side of Banswara and is one of the most talked about lakes in the state of Rajasthan. Honestly speaking, Anand Sagar Lake for me was a big disappointment. There was no proper road nor any parking. That place was all ill-maintained. I hope if any official based in Banswara is watching this video can take some action to improve the situation.
This brings us to the end of the episode. So you all know the drill, right? Please press the bell icon if you have not subscribed to our channel yet. Do like and share our video. Show some love and support to us guys. Get set go, the travel vlog. Thank you.